In this video, we're going to continue finding missing terms in arithmetic sequences, but with a slightly different twist. So sometimes the information we're given about a sequence does not include a sub 1. It doesn't include the first term. In these cases, having a sub 1 in our formula is not particularly useful. Fortunately, the way arithmetic sequences work, we can actually use any term instead of the first term. So if we're given the fifth term, then instead of a sub 1 and 1, we'll replace them with a sub 5 and 5. Let's check out an example. Here we're asked to find the 15th term of the sequence, and we're given a sub 4 and a sub 8. So we're not given a sub 1. Now what we can do is, instead of using a sub 1, just kind of use a sub 4 as our new a sub 1. So we'll still fill in all of the other blank pieces normally. So we'll fill in 38 for a sub n, right? That's going to be our final value. And then for our first value, we're not going to use whatever the first term is equal to. We're going to actually use what a sub 4 is equal to, which is 14. And then plus the common difference that we don't know, times n is 8, because that's what we're using as a sub n. And we're going to be not using minus 1. Instead, we're going to use minus 4, because we're using the fourth term instead of the first term. Well, we can keep going from here and just do the math out normally at this point. Subtract 14 over, we get 24 is equal to d times 8 minus 4 is 4. And then divide both sides by 4, we get that d is equal to 6. So we can kind of now use this to find any a sub n, because we now know that a sub n is equal to 14 plus 6 times n minus 4. And we're still using that fourth term that we used originally. So specifically, we're asked to find a sub 15. We'll go ahead and fill in the appropriate pieces. 15 is n, and we'll just do the math out from here. 15 minus 4 is 11, so this is 14 plus 6 times 11. 6 times 11 is 66, plus 14 is 80. So a sub 15 here is 80.